All right, ladies and gentlemen, now we are going to start 60-second session with our new participant. What's your name?
My name is Rakibas.
Where are you from?
I am from Zoshur.
How are you today?
I am fine. And you?
Fine. This is Naim, and I'm going to ask you 10 short questions within this very session. Number one, land phone or mobile phone?
Obviously mobile phone because its communication very too easy.
Wall clock or wristwatch?
Obviously wrist clock because it is fashionable.
Your favorite leisure time activity?
I am book lover. When I get a free time, I reading a book.
Pohela Boishakh or Eid?
Obviously Eid because it is festival organization for Muslim.
One best quality of a student?
It is conscious and attention for study.
One best quality of your father?
My father is impulse person.
One best quality of tech part?
Trick Purse is a quality type coaching center.
One best quality of your English teacher?
Teacher is a impulse person.
One best quality of your close friend?
Close friend is minded and hardworking.
One sentence about your future goal?
I will go abroad for earning my money.
Thank you.